Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Fit oil life. First, make sure your vehicle's engine is off. Turn the ignition key to the run position, which is the second click, but do not start the engine. This powers up your dashboard display, allowing you to access the necessary settings for the oil life reset. Now, find the Select/Reset button on your dashboard, usually near the speedometer. Press this button repeatedly to cycle through the various display modes. Continue pressing until you see the engine oil life percentage displayed on your instrument panel. This shows the current remaining oil life, often below 20% when the reminder is active. Once the oil life percentage is visible, press and hold the Select/Reset button. Keep holding it for approximately 10 seconds. You'll notice the oil life indicator and any associated maintenance codes start to blink. This blinking signals that the system has entered the reset mode and is awaiting your final confirmation to clear the reminder. After the indicator starts blinking, release the button. Immediately press and hold the Select/Reset button again for about 5 seconds. The oil life display will then reset to 100%, and the maintenance reminder light will turn off. You've successfully reset your Honda Fit's oil life. Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.